Welcome back to Batik Walla by Victoria. I'm Victoria, and we are doing a sizing video today for a new release of batiks that I've made recently. This, you guys, is the long sleeve crop top. It was a sweatshirt. Now it's been cropped here and around the neck, and I've kept the sleeves intact, and everything else about it is the original sweatshirt style. Oh, except for the batik painting that I applied. I don't know how you explain batik. It's a process that I do. So this is one of the shirts. This is a size small. It's the only one. There's not like a ton of these. So, I mean, they're all hand done, obviously. Just showing you the size. I'm like, this is my size. Now, the boots I'm wearing because it's raining and it's really cold out. You know the interesting thing about these shirts? I'm not wearing anything under. Well, I mean, there's no undershirt, but I'm warm. The fleece on this is so thick and so substantial. These are like super high quality sweatshirts that I spared no expense acquiring. So, this is what the small looks like. Welcome back. Okay, this is a medium. I did check the tag and it's a medium, so a little bit bigger on me and still just as warm. Guys, it's starting to rain, so I'm going to make this super quick, but I'm just going to show you what the medium looks like on me, proportionately what it looks like, where it fits. Cute shirts, kind of practical actually, but beautiful. So there you go. These are the only two of this color. There are 3 more colors available. There's the mushroom, teal and purple. There's this teal, I don't know, spring color, and and the mulberry oval tree. Check them all out. I think I have covered every size so far between the past 2 videos, so stay tuned. And look, there's one per shirt, one design. Every piece I made of this is pictured, so what you see is what you get, and they're all individual pieces, so get on that. All right. Thanks, Juan.